Hi, grade six. Today, January 8th, literacy. We're going to do something new starting now. So, every Friday, you will be doing vocabulary work. So, extending your vocabulary. And when we extend our vocabulary, we are improving our reading comprehension, our reading accuracy. We're making our writing more interesting. We're improving our spelling. It's just good all around to do this. So every Friday for literacy will be vocabulary work. So word work, vocabulary work, just working on getting some new words into our life. So today, and most Fridays will be this, we will be doing a square like this, but I might just add two or three or just one extra little word exercise. But we're going to start this small so we get used to it and build up. So the first thing you're going to do is word. We're going to do one word today. So you'll be filling out a four square vocabulary slide today for one word. And the one word I picked was ominous. Ooh. So watch this video and then you're going to define the word. So there's four squares you have to fill out on the slide, and each square has a different activity for you to do. So let's take a look. The first thing you're going to do is define this word. What does this word actually mean? And some of you might already know, so that's awesome. And some of you, this might be a new word for you. So that's great too. So here's the box you're going to do for the word ominous. So the word will be in the middle, and then you need to write the definition. This is my one. You are not allowed to copy and paste from a dictionary website. You have to use a dictionary. If you have a paper dictionary at home, that's awesome. You can use that. If you are using dictionary.com, that's great too. But whatever source you find the definition for, you cannot copy and paste. I want to see this definition in your own words. I need to see if you actually read the definition and understand what it means. So write the definition in your own words. Use this word in a sentence. So make up a sentence using that word in it. And then you're going to pick a synonym or an antonym for that word. So we've been doing synonyms with our 456 Google Forms. So a lot of you are already familiar with how to find synonyms and antonyms for words. So just a review, a synonym is a word that has the same meaning. So you need to find words that kind of mean the same as ominous. So a word I could use instead of ominous to mean the same thing. An antonym is the word that's the opposite. So what word would be the opposite of ominous? And then you're going to drag the red circle to whichever one you chose to do. So if you chose to make an antonym of ominous, you'd circle that one. If you choose to make a synonym of antonym, you would circle that one. And last thing, find an image. This is where you can copy and paste from the internet. Find an image that represents ominous to you and plug it in here, insert it here. There's an example slide. Slide number 2 is an example for the word embarrass. The definition is there that I wrote in my own words after reading the definition on the dictionary. I used it in a sentence, and the sentence is actually true. I have run down. I have fallen running, and it was embarrassing. And antonym I used, so opposite of embarrassed, happy included. And I found an image. To me, that looks like someone's embarrassed. They have red all over, and they're just like, hmm. So to me, that looked like they were embarrassed. And this is the first for our Friday extending our vocabulary.